I'm Corrie.
And I'm Jennifer, and we're the co-founders of Maison Haven.
Jen and I first met a long time ago at high school. We then both worked in the fashion industry. I was a magazine journalist at Glamour and Harper's Bazaar.
And I was a lawyer at Burberry.
We were each other's bridesmaids. We had our first kids within weeks of each other, so launching a business together was the logical next step.
We have both moved around a lot, but it wasn't until we found ourselves living in the US that the stars aligned. We saw an opportunity to use our organizational skills to bring order and beauty to other people's homes.
So fast forward 25 years of friendship, 14 house moves, 4 kids later, and while our homes have changed, our philosophy hasn't. To transform a home into a haven, you have to work from the inside out.
We focus on the inner linings of the home, from closets and cupboards to storage and shelves, to create beautifully designed systems that transform the way you live.
We bring our fashion eye to every project, and our secret is this: a space that looks beautiful is more likely to stay that way.
We like to say we're your home's juice cleanse and 12-hour sleep rolled into one.